Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Daily English with Mr.EnOn. Today, we're diving into a common and important situation, the first day at a new job.
Hi, Sarah. This is a really useful topic for anyone learning English for work. We'll listen to a simple conversation with key phrases, and we'll break down everything to make it super easy to understand.
And we'll also give you some tips on how to sound natural and confident when you're speaking. So, get ready to learn how to greet people, ask for help, and feel more confident as you start your new adventure.
Hi, you must be Michael. Welcome.
Hi. Yes, I'm Michael. It's my first day.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Anna. I'll help you today.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Thank you.
No problem. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thanks. A little nervous but excited.
That's normal. Don't worry. It's easy here.
I hope so. Where do I start?
First, let's go to your desk. I'll show you.
Okay. Great.
Here's your computer. Can you turn it on?
Yes, I can. Like this?
Yes. Perfect. Do you have any questions?
Not yet, but maybe later.
Of course. Just ask me or anyone. Everyone is very kind.
I can see that. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let's start with this.
Let's dive into the first line. Hi, you must be Michael. Welcome. You must be is a polite way to confirm someone's identity when you're fairly sure who they are. It's smoother than a blunt, "Are you Michael?" Adding welcome immediately creates a warm tone.
Michael replies, Hi, yes, I'm Michael. It's my first day. The yes clearly confirms the guess, and it's my first day gives helpful context so others can be patient and supportive.
Anna says, "It's nice to meet you. I'm Anna. I'll help you today." Nice to meet you is a standard first meeting phrase. Stating your name and offering help sets a friendly, supportive tone.
Michael answers, Nice to meet you too, Anna. Thank you. The to shows reciprocity, and thank you is essential politeness that builds good workplace relationships.
No problem. How are you doing? No problem is a casual way of acknowledging thanks. How are you doing is friendly and conversational. Great for easing first day nerves.
I'm good, thanks. A little nervous but excited. Honest, simple, natural. Pairing nervous with excited is common for first days.
That's normal. Don't worry, it's easy here. Validating feelings. That's normal. Plus reassurance. Don't worry. Helps new colleagues relax.
Where do I start? Clear, proactive, shows initiative.
First, let's go to your desk. I'll show you. Let's includes both people. I'll show you is a supportive promise.
Here's your computer. Can you turn it on? Phrasal verb. Turn on, no activator device. Very common in workplace English.
Yes, I can. Like this is a quick way to check you're doing something correctly.
Yes, perfect. Do you have any questions? Invites questions and keeps communication open.
Not yet, but maybe later. Polite, realistic, keeps the door open for future help.
Of course, just ask me or anyone. Broaden support beyond one person. Great culture signal.
You're welcome. Let's start with this. You're welcome is the standard reply to thanks. Let's start with this. Moves things forward. Now that we've analysed the dialogue, listen again and focus on the rhythm, intonation, and pauses. Try shadowing. Repeat each line right after the speaker to build fluency.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this first day conversation and breakdown helps you feel more confident at work.
Remember, politeness, clarity, and simple phrases go a long way. Revisit this episode, practice aloud, and don't worry about mistakes. They're part of learning.
If you found this helpful, please subscribe, share with friends, and leave a comment with phrases you want us to cover next.
Thanks for joining us on Daily English with Mr.EnOn. We're committed to bringing you high-quality English learning resources. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep moving toward your goals. Goodbye.
Goodbye.